Halo-halong grupo mula sa Filipino community ang dinatna ng mga international at domestic Filipino-Canadian students ng George Brown College para sa kauna-unahang networking event para sa komunidad. Silipin sa report ni Paula Saraza.
So it's a mixed bag of the professional groups, the community groups, the companies, the corporate. There's a few corporates, and we also have the consulate here too. So and the George Brown and our group too. So
Kaya halo-halo.
kaya halo-halo.
Halos 40 grupo ang nagtipon-tipon ngayong Sabado sa George Brown Waterfront Campus para sa kauna-unahang halo-halo networking event na ginawang posible sa partnership ng Philippine Independence Day Council at George Brown College.
It's important for our students at George Brown, whether they are from the Philippines or their second generation here, to really get a sense of what is the Filipino community like here in Toronto.
Kabilang ang Pilipinas sa top 5 source country ng international students sa George Brown at kasama ang lumalaki ring bilang ng mga Filipino-Canadian students sa paaralan. Ayon kay Michael Herrera, Chief Financial Officer sa kolehiyo, nais nilang ilapit at ipakilala ang iba't ibang community groups sa kanilang mga estudyante.
When you finish your studies, networking is so important. And a lot of times that's one of those skills that students don't necessarily think about as important in their careers. And so by providing students with this opportunity to meet with other organizations here, we hope that this becomes the first step in their journey of becoming and finding their career of their choice.
Kumpiyansa silang magbubunga sa mas marami pang koneksyon sa komunidad ang buong araw na event na isinabay din sa open house ng kolehiyo.
This is my first networking event, so I didn't really know what to expect. But nakita ko na parang there's a diversity ng mga nandito. So nakakatuwa naman na parang there are a lot of Filipinos in really very diverse industries here in Canada.
Bukod sa mga koneksyon na posibleng makakatulong sa kanilang karera kapag nakatapos na, naging pagkakataon din ng salo-salo para kumonekta sa iba't ibang support groups.
Magiging ano mo sila, parang ate-kuya mo dito sa Canada, di ba? So parang mag-guide ka nila if ever meron kang problem or issues, may mga matatanungan ka.
Umaasa naman ng George Brown at PIDC na hindi ito ang huli nilang partnership at masusundan pa ang halo-halo networking event para sa lumalaking Filipino-Canadian community sa syudad. Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.